Guys, there may be a fire alarm going off at the school that I go to. Look, it's going off. Right there, there's the sounder. It's going off. The fire alarm's going off, guys. At my school, what the?
No one's in there.
What the hell? No one's there. Is there actually a fire?
Yeah, imagine the school just gets burnt down.
Oh, I wish that would happen, bro. Bro, that's so loud. What? There's no way we just came to the park and the fire alarm goes off at the school.
Maybe it's an actual fire.
Yeah, I think it is. Because no one's coming out.
How was the time?
1748. Oh, what?
What?
Why is it just going off? Why are we just stood here?
You got me in the video. I don't want to be in there.
Jump the fence.